Planning to take your business or profession online? Most people get stuck at the very first step, choosing the right domain, email, and website. It's all technical and too much. Hi, I'm Santosh Ramachandran, founder of Infinity Online Solutions. I have seen many businesses struggle online simply because they started with the wrong choices. A domain, email, and website are important, but choosing the right one is even more important. The Brand Starter Kit helps you understand the important concepts and helps avoid costly mistakes before you invest your time and money. Brand Starter Kit is a step-by-step online video guide designed for beginners with no technical skills required. You will learn how to choose the right domain, set up a professional email, pick the right website template, and prepare your brand foundation clearly and confidently. These are short videos, no technical jargon, designed to save your time and help you avoid costly mistakes. If you're serious about launching your brand online, start with the Brand Starter Kit.